In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to Excel in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and which option to choose so you can analyze your project data in Excel with confidence. Start on your Asana home. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so you're looking at the right set of projects. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Projects. This opens your list of available projects, making it easy to jump into the one you want to export. Next, select the specific project whose tasks and details you want in Excel. Once the project opens, glance at the top of the screen. You'll see the project name in the header. Right next to that name, there's a small drop-down or menu icon. Click that to open the Project Actions menu. In the menu, hover over the option labeled Export or Sync. This reveals your export choices. You'll typically see a PDF summary, a CSV export, and an option to sync to Google Sheets. Here's what each means so you pick the right one. PDF summary gives you a quick read-only snapshot. Great for a simple report or sharing a non-editable overview. CSV creates a comma-separated values file, which is the best choice for Excel because Excel opens CSV files seamlessly. Sync to Google Sheets is ideal if you want a live, ongoing connection that updates as your Asana project changes. If your goal is Excel, choose the CSV option. Asana will generate a CSV that includes your core task data such as task names, assignees, due dates, and custom fields. Once it's downloaded, simply open the file in Excel and you're ready to sort, filter, build pivot tables, or visualize your information. If you prefer, you can save it as a standard Excel workbook after opening. A few tips to get cleaner results. Before exporting, make sure your project shows the data you care about. Adjust filters, confirm that the relevant custom fields are populated, and choose a view that reflects the scope you want to analyze. The CSV will mirror the structure of your project data, so a tidy setup leads to a tidy spreadsheet. If you don't see the export or sync option, you may not have the required permissions on that project, so check with your admin or project owner. That's it. Navigate to your project, open the drop-down next to the project name, hover over Export or Sync, and pick CSV for an Excel-ready file. Thanks for watching, and enjoy turning your Asana data into insights in Excel.